that I've been wanting to try the Braelyn unit for the longest, and we are finally trying it. This is from Sensationnel. It's part of their What Lace collection, and the What Lace collection has this 13x6 frontal space for you to work with. It is supposed to be very much so nice lace space for you to work with, look very natural, realistic. I got mine in the color Balayage Gold, and I'm ready to see what she's gonna look like. I'm hoping it's giving all of that because that's beautiful. So let's get started. Lots of baby hairs over here that we're working with. Is Kaya gonna use them? Probably not. This wig is giving silky too. Say that I love how big the stock cards are with this wig. Let's see what Braelyn Balayage Gold is looking like. Y'all see that lace space, the 13x6 lace frontal space, giving very much so hairline. It looks pretty plucked, honestly. It looks really natural, but we gotta see what it's like when I put it on. It looks really flat too. Like, we love a unit that comes straight out of the package. Flat. I hope it's not gonna be like too flat though, like once I put it on. And because we do need a little bit of volume. And then the curls are very much so loose. And you can see that Balayage Gold peeking through right there at the front. It looks like it's gonna be more on the side of the wig, and then not really focused on the back. So the color is basically right there in the front. So let's see, big head friendly or not. Ooh, I like this, how that just slid on there. Ooh, okay. This looks like my type of vibe. Probably not gonna use these baby hairs though. So if you came looking for someone to show you a baby hair slay, I am not your girl. I'm not gonna show you no baby hair slay because I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna just go ahead and push them baby hairs back. It could definitely be plucked out more if you wanted to. It's up to you as a person if you want to do that or not. I don't know if I want to. Maybe, you know what, I might do a little bit. Braelyn is one of them ones I already could tell that she's about to be in rotation from my closet. love that it's so plain and to the point, but it just has a little bit of extra excitement with the little highlighted color piece right there in the front. It's perfectly placed too. Gotta make sure that this is good to go. Give it a little bit of volume by pushing it back. Kind of helps that front piece like sit up a little bit. You see the difference? It's just a little bit higher up than laying flat down. Sensational Wet Lace Braelyn. It's the stock card. There's some more styles on the inside. It also shows you how the lace is made, how the wig is made, and then the back shows you some other color options in case you guys are interested in other color options, in case you're not feeling Miss Balayage gold. But if you are not, why aren't you? Because this color's just freaking pretty. It's so pretty. So when I brush it out, I do feel like the curls like fell, but I like how they feel. I like it that it's very, very loose. Like I feel like it's loose to capacity. I don't think you can get any more loose than this. It looks really, really good. I love the middle part, love the layers, how the bang falls. Like I told you guys at the beginning, the color is not really so much in the back. It is only focused on the front in your bang in your layered area, which I like it. It like gives you like little face frame. But this is like one of those little cute little, I won't say everyday because everybody don't want to wear their hair long every day, but the style of it is an everyday wig, but it's very long. So if you're not into the long units, this might not be for you, but you could always chop it. Because I mean, imagine if this was just chopped like that. That would be very cute. You're still gonna have your layers. So, and that's like even like in past time when it gets a little bit older, you can go ahead and give it a chop. Also, I did pluck out the front just a little bit, but I didn't do like a whole lot to it, but I like it. It makes it look good. I feel like it looks pretty natural. I mean, yeah, you could tell it's a wig. It's a wig, honey. I'm not trying to hide the fact that it is wig, but it looks, I think it looks pretty good. It looks natural, it looks blended, and also we're wearing it glueless. Love that for me, love that for us. We get to wear these wigs glueless. And as you can see in the stock card, she added some twists to the top of hers. I'm not doing that, but you can do that. You can also do a side part with it if you want to, but I like it this way. So you guys let me know if you tried Braelyn, or if you haven't, what you think about her from what I showed you. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna put some links down in my description bar below where you can purchase this wig from. You can also check out your local beauty supply store and they might have Miss Braelyn in stock. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all.